Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Kathy Jarvis, and today I want to talk about containers for gardening. I know a lot of people like to do gardening in containers, but those big ones cost a lot of money. And the 5-gallon buckets, you have to drill holes in them to make them work. So I got a cheap way that you can recycle something and turn it into a grow bag. If you have animals, dogs, cats, whatever, and you buy the large bags of food that have the kind of glossy, where they're waterproof, what you can do once they're empty is just kind of make a slit in the side, down a little bit, and then simply fold that under to make a collar. You can make the bag make the container as tall or as short as you want. Just bend the under so you have a collar like this. So you have your bag like this. Fill it with dirt. Punch some holes in the side. You can either, I just use my scissors and cut. Just make a few holes to allow for drainage. Set this out on your patio or your balcony. Put your seeds in, put your dirt in it, fill them up, put the seeds in it, and you have a cheap, recyclable container that you can grow food in. So I hope you've learned something. Subscribe to this channel if you would. Give it a thumbs up if you think this is a good idea. Remember to share it with your friends. This works great if you don't have a big area to plant a garden. If you're not allowed to till up the ground, if you rent somewhere and they say no, you can't have a garden, make these little pots, put them on your backyard, put them on your patio, and you can grow. In this pot, you can grow lettuce. It's deep enough for carrots. You can grow radishes. Even a cucumber could grow in this. So, anything you can grow in a 5-gallon bucket, you can grow into one of these sacks. Commercial break. Okay. If you learned anything, give this a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and remember to dream big and follow that dream. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.